Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu X1 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to open the controls menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the upper button. Once the menu pops up, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this by default. The Do Not Disturb mode was turned on, so I disable it, but if the mode is disabled, you will see that the icon looks like this. We have the crossed out circle with the line inside of it. And if you want to enable the mode, it's quite simple. You simply tap on the icon, the mode will be enabled, and you can tell by the icon changing the color. It will get highlighted by blue, and also it won't be crossed out anymore, which indicates that the mode is enabled. Then once you enable it, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face if you want to. And once you decide to turn off the mode, you can open the control panel again, control menu, tap on the icon again, and the mode will be disabled. You can tell by the icon going back to gray color and being crossed out as an icon as well. And then you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.